So Amazon Bedrock allows you to do model evaluation through their model evaluation feature. It has three modes: automatic, bring your own team, AWS manage work team. And if you're going to choose automatic, which is most likely what you're going to utilize, you have these four options. It's going to be able to produce a variety of metrics, at least accuracy, toxicity, and robustness. Probably four, because I believe that this is based off of the model evaluation library that AWS has open source, which we take a look at in the hands-on lab. I did do the hands-on lab, but what I found going through that process was that the data set they provided, because when you go through the process, they'll give you a sample data set, is really, really large. And so unless you curate your own data set, which I didn't do, I feel like this could get really expensive very quickly. One thing I noticed is that you had to enable cores on the S3 bucket. You had to also grant additional permissions. The UI was really, really janky and not working correctly. So I could get it to run, but I don't feel like this is the best way to evaluate your models. I feel like this service is not well developed, and you could just use an open source library instead. So I just wanted to make that clear. That's why these slides are so light, because I just don't have. I don't really want to recommend this this feature, but I will show it to you. But just watch the lab. Don't actually do it, because I end up turning it off. But at least it gives you an idea of how it should work. Okay.